Kaya iyak. Anyway, sabi nga nila, no, and to represent Cristel's circles of important people in her life, let us welcome the following person who will share their wishes and offer a candle of enlightenment. Okay, tawagin muna natin for our 18 candles, ang kauna-unahan. Kaya balik muna tayo doon. Sounds? Ahapon.
Narinig ba?
Okay, tita, let's go.
Ano ba? Pwede na.
Yes, tita, ready na po. Ikaw na lang ang hinihintay. Go ahead, tita.
Pwede na?
Pwede na. Yan talaga pag live.
Ano na? Ako na ba?
Opo.
Ako na ba? Okay. Ito na. Tapos na tayo eh. Nagawa ng paraan para mag-taste kanya. Pero hindi na ako kandila. Ikaw naka-ready na ako para partner tayong dalawa ka. At yun ka, gumayo mo ngayong pag-red, hindi ka utang. Narinig pa ako?
Yes po, rinig ka po.
Okay, ang wish ko sana, magkatapos ka ng pag-aaral, tapos wish mo, tamang kapag mo, tapos medyo, magpapit ka na wala ako. Abis na siya umiyak, ayaw na naman, naligrang na ako eh. Kaya lang ito, basta, lagi mo lang iisipin, mahal kita anak, kahit na, puro ka nakakagdadalaga mo, bakit? Kaya natin na, bata. Kaya lang matulog na, kasi siyempre, pagkakahan eh. Yung kumakain na mga di ba kumakain sila ba? Salamat kay nanay at kay lahat. Si Manny! Manny! Salamat kay Siyempre, ang kapatid, magpagkilala ka. At siyempre, ang lahat, kayo na. Ang lahat, nagsisigit ka na. Ito, medyo
Let's happy. Lumulongin. Okay na. Okay, ayan. Narinig po natin. Maraming salamat kay Tita Teresa Albay. Tita, maraming salamat po. Kaya, kumusta ka na po dyan? Kaya, ganun po talaga pagka medyo mahina daw signal kasi doon eh. So, anyway, maraming salamat po. And ingat ka po dyan, no? At syempre, susunod na natin ang ating Susunod na tatawagin natin for our 18 candles. Palapakan natin, walang iba kundi ang kanyang kapatid. Walang iba kundi si Cristiana Katrina Albay. Isa pa lang nag-iyak na. Ano yun?
Sana makatapos na ng pag-aaral.
Ano niya kasi kalawag yung ate niya, kaya very emotional. Kaya maraming salamat. Tayo dyan, Rihanna. Tayo muna tayo dyan. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa kakatayo kong sabi. Susunod po natin tatawagin talaga. Ayan. So tawagin muna natin si Lola Elsa Rivera. Kaya Lola rin pa si Lola. Wala pa kayo po natin. Kailangan happy tayo. Happy.
Michelle.
Ayaw na na. Lapis music talaga pa rin siya. Baking.
Ang ganda. O, palapakan naman po natin si Lola Elsa. Sinabi ka po ba? Naku ko narinig. Anyway, alam naman natin yan. Sabi nga nila, ang tunay na pagmamahal ni San, hindi naman lang nadadaan sa salita, kundi napaparamdam. At ramdam na ramdam ko yung Nanay Elsa. Oo, sinanay, ano talaga? Okay, tawagin naman po natin walang ibang susunod, si Mabel de Bosada. Palapakan po natin siya.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Ate Giselle. Magpapabait ka sa mga sa parents mo at sa lola at lolo mo. Sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you very much, Mabel. Palapakan naman natin si Mabel. Ayan. Si Mabel, lumabas siya sa showtime. Galing-galing. Anyway, susunod natin tatawagin. Of course, ayan. Pag tinawag po natin, sasabihin natin kung ano yung wish natin para sa kanya. Ayan. Tawagin natin yung susunod na iba kundi si Miss Sheila Marie Escolar. Palapakan po natin.
Happy birthday sa makatapos ka sa pag-aaral mo. Follow your dreams. Happy birthday.
Ayan, maraming salamat. And of course, tawagin din natin si Eloisa Rivera.
Happy birthday. Actually, di ba nila? Pero sana maging ka na. Sana maging mas close pa tayo. Saka sana ma-accomplish mo yung goals mo at di ba na wala ako? 9 years old. Nandito lang ako para supportahan ka para kung ano man yung gusto mo since nandito lang naman ako para sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Okay, maraming salamat sa iyo. Palapakan naman po natin siya. At ang susunod kong tatawagin walang iba kundi si Miss Michelle Lapay.
Happy birthday. Sana makatapos ka sa pag-aaral. Huwag mo na mag-boyfriend. Ganyan.
Okay, maraming salamat kay Michelle Lapay. Palapakan natin. At ang susunod si Maria Divine Grace Amores.
Ano po kay Ate Rochelle, salamat po na-invite mo ako sa harapan mo. Sana madami pang birthday na darating sa'yo. Happy birthday po.
Okay, maraming salamat. Napakagandang wish. Okay, tawagin naman natin si Joy Perez.
Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana, yung lahat ng paghihirap ng amin, eh, suklian. Ha? Sige.
Justin Orseta. Palakpakan po natin si Justin.
Hi, Ate Cristel. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. That's it.
Okay, maraming salamat, Justin Orseta. And of course, tawagin naman natin si Jodelyn Escuye. Tawagin natin si Jovet Datiles.
Happy birthday. And safety. Sana sabay-sabay tayo makagraduate at tungkol sa stage.
Okay,
Maraming salamat kay Jovet Datiles. Okay, susunod natin tawagin si Colleen Carino. Palakpakan naman natin.
Hello, Ate Tel. Happy birthday. Kaya 18 ka na. Pwede na kayo DJ. Maraming salamat po sa pagiging mabait na ate sa akin. Thank you po sa lahat. And wish you all the best and good health. I love you po, Ate Tel. Salamat.
Ayan, maraming salamat kay Colleen Carino. Okay, tawagin naman natin si Nobel Dairit.
Taas. Ate the birthday. Wish ko
Ano ka tuloy ba?
more birthdays to come and good health. Thank you dahil naging part ako ng life mo. Naging kaibigan kita. Naging ate din dito sa buhay ko. Ayun. Ayun. Kinakaman ako. Kahit di tayo magkakasama, magkakausap, o kahit natin, yung friendship natin, hindi nawawala. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Ate Tel. I love you.
Palakpakan naman natin. Okay, the last but not the least, palakpakan naman natin yung malakas sa palakpakan kay Eliza Maglantay.
Harap dito. Advance happy birthday. Gulat talaga ako nung i-invite mo ako dito. Kasi, di ba nga, alam mo na yun. Thank you kasi hindi mo pa rin ako nakalimutan. And I just want to say sorry sa lahat ng nagawa. Yun, sana matapos mo lahat ng... Sana makuha mo yung mga wishes mo, gano'n. Sana makatapos ka ng pagkakataon. Yun, happy birthday.
Okay, maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman po natin ang mga labing walong nagagandang mga babae sa ating katapan. Maraming salamat and thank you. Pwede na po tayo magsiupo. Ayan. Okay, maraming salamat po. And of course, ayan, napag-iintay natin sila, no? And sorry for the intrusion in the continuous flow of our celebration, but I would like to announce that we will have our dinner this time. After the dinner, the family would like to request everybody to please remain for a while for the continuation of our program. And ganito po yung magiging flow natin, ha? Tatawagin muna natin yung table, tapos magpapapicture po sa ating
Hey, you, I know I'm in the wrong time. Flies when you're having fun. You wake up, another year is gone. You're 21. I guess you wanna know why I'm on the phone. It's been a day or so. I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. same mistake. I'm so to blame. So now you know. Don't hang up the phone. I wish I was at home. I know it's way too late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, oh. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. It's not that I don't care. You know I'll make it up to you. If I could, I'd be there. Yeah, yeah, whoa. Yeah, yeah, whoa. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. Yeah, yeah, whoa. I know you hate me. Yeah, yeah, whoa. Well, I miss you too. Yeah, yeah, I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday. To you.
I can't win, I can't reign. I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you. I won't run, I won't fight. I will never make it back without you, without you. I can't rest, I can't fight. All I need is you and I. Without you, without can't erase, so I'll take blame, but I can't accept that we're estranged without you, without you. I can't quit now, this can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you, without you. I won't soar, I won't climb. If you're not here, I'm paralyzed without you, without you. I can't look, I'm so blind. I lost my heart, I lost my mind without you, without. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you.
voice inside my head said, you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost in no direction. My feet are shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about who's weak on the other side. Is it the chances I'm taking, the chances I'm making, sometimes might not be out. No, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember the most. Just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on, 'cause there's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about who's weak on the other side. Is it climb? There's always gonna be another mountain. Always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes somebody have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about who's weak on the other side. Is it keep on moving, keep the faith, baby. It's all about climb. Keep the faith, keep faith. Thank you po.
Palakpakan naman natin si Justin Orseta sa napakagandang awitin.
Lights, music, action.
hindi sila mahilig mag-picture. Tapos yan,